Hi friends, welcome to technical video on using SharePoint list filter to filter SharePoint list view data. To achieve this, we need a filter which will help us to filter the results and a list view which we want to filter. On the screen you can see it's FAQs. This data is coming from a list which is nothing but a FAQs list. What I have done here is this list view is a newsletter view, and I have applied some custom CSS to this. So it's not looking like list view, but yeah, it's actually a list view. You can probably check my other video wherein I have showed how to achieve this or how to apply custom CSS to a list view. So as we have a list view on the page, let's go and add a list view filter. Let's go to insert and then the web part. In the category section you will see filters category. In that you have a lot of filters here, but today we are targeting on SharePoint list filter. Let's select this and say add. Once we add this web part, we need to configure this web part. Let's go to the properties of this web part. Okay, so let me select this and say edit web part. Okay, in the properties section we see the name of the filter we want it to be. I'll just leave it the way it is, and then it gives an option to select which list you want the data to populate in this, or what data you are using to filter. You can go and click on this. Once you get this, you can select the list which you want to filter. I'm selecting FAQs list here. Say insert. Once we get this, below it will populate all the views associated with this. I'll just say for list view, and then once we select that, in the value field section it will populate all the associated columns and fields with this full list view. So here I will go and select category, and then say just apply and OK. Let me just save this page and show it to you. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, so this is our SharePoint list filter. If we go and click here, we are going to see all the unique values that are present in the column category, as we selected the value field as category in that particular list. So if I select and say OK, nothing's gonna happen because these two are separate web paths. So it's just showing us the value. What we need to do here in order to filter this web part, list view web part, we need to connect the SharePoint list filter to this list view web part. So how do we do that? We need to add a connection. Let's go edit that web page again. Go to the properties here and say edit web part. Once you do that, go back again and click, and then it will show you the connections. So in this, go send filter values to where you want to send. You might get here, as I just have one FAQs list view, it is showing me FAQs. There could be a case wherein you could have multiple list views within a page and you just want to connect to one of the list views. So you can just select this FAQ, then it will give a pop-up for configuration. Okay, once you have the screen, what we'll do is, what is the connection type we want to use. The connection type would be get filter values from configure. Then it will give you consumer field name. So provider is SharePoint list filter, that is this web part what we have added here, and the consumer field name would be category. Just say finish. Now we are done with connecting both the web paths, so it should work now. Let's save it. Just ignore that message, I will correct it later. Okay, once we have this, I will go here. Okay, before that, let's see how many results we have. We could see 3 results, or 3 items are getting displayed in the FAQ list view. Now let's go and select list. Page just refreshed. Now I can see it's just 2 items are getting displayed. So out of 3, 2 are associated with the category called list, hence 2 items are getting displayed. Now if I select the other one, that is item, it should display only 1 item to me. Yeah, it is showing up just 1 item. So this is how we connect list SharePoint list filter to an list view. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like it, and feel free to comment or leave your comments. Thank you.